Yeah, hello, Martin Baker here. I'm back over at the Brookworth Homes development in West Horsley doing our second garden room for a client that had already moved in. You may have seen a video of the one just over there next door that we done a few months ago now. This was actually commissioned by the client once they moved in, and we've made it fit perfectly. A 4 metre wide, 3 metre deep kite garden room. And just set up lovely. I've actually done a really nice desk option in here for his work. I wanted to show you that. Integrated blinds in this one because the client had the freedom to make the spec decisions himself. So you've seen these a number of times before. This is the BGB version of them, which is really nice. I really think that they are a great option. Used daily as an office space, but like many multi-purpose rooms, you don't need a huge area to do that. I really like this. I'm going to show you this because we were trying to find a drop desk for them, but we couldn't quite make it work. But this, if I can just show you here, where are we? Just there. That comes out and is absolutely perfect. So it drops down, comes out like that, and that's the desk working, and it kind of gives you a nice little bit of extra space. So that's a really nice little bit of unit there, which the client's enjoying. Got everything set up with the Wi-Fi, printer in here, heating is all done, and if I come up there, you can see we've got the wash lighting on the rear, and then the TV in the middle, surround sound speakers. Those little black posts are the speakers. That's really cool. I've not seen them before. I think that's a Sony brand item, along with the sub and system there, and then a sofa. And this is really nice because it integrates with the house. If I pan over here, you can see the house there, bifold doors in the summer, they're open, integrating with the room perfectly. So this was a really nice one to work with the client. Before they moved in, we had two options. There's another opportunity up the corner there. We didn't really know what the client might want, so actually they've moved in and then gone ahead and ordered with us. So that's really exciting. Great to work with Brookworth Homes once again, and to see some very happy clients with this lovely finished product. So I hope that's of interest to you. If you're thinking of trying to gain some extra space in your garden for all year round use, whether it be for an office, lounge, or like this, a multi-purpose room, please give us a call, contact us, and we'll go from there. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, share what we do, and thank you.